We're going to do a quick video on crypto news today, crypto news BTC, and what you're looking at here is we're logged on to the RBAMResearch.com website that shows our entry prices for today, June 3rd. We'll scroll down here to Bitcoin. Every day before 7 a.m. we publish Bitcoin prices, both either buy or shorts for the current day. So these expire at the end of each day. And stick with me to the very end, and we'll show you how to get these prices for free, absolutely no charge and no credit card required. If we take a look across the top here, we have the holding periods for Bitcoin, and this crypto news today are basically updated prices every day for these holding periods, this 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are updated every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and the recommended prices that you take a look at. And if your own research confirms it, you can use these to enter the market or use something that conforms with it from your own research. You never rely on our prices alone. But let's take a look. Today, June 3rd, it's recommending a short that we take a look at this price, $29,679, and that's with a one-day hold. Now, these are all trading days, not calendar days. So if you were to short here, you would hold until the end of the trading day tomorrow, worst case. If you took a profit, you take it if you got a profit, you take it as fast as you get it. But at worst case, if you didn't get a profit, you close it out at the end of the trading period the next day, and so forth. So let's do a 5-day swing here, a potential 5-day swing. This is recommending you take a look at a short 34.55. If you took a profit that same day, you'd be out. If you took a profit second or third day, you'd be out. If you did not have a profit by the 5th day, you'd close it out at the end of the 5th trading day. So that's how this works. You can basically day trade the one-day holds most of the time. If this price is hit, you can get in and out on the same day, but you should be prepared to hold it the full period until the next trading day, just in case. But a lot of times, if this gets hit, you can day trade it. Again, you could swing trade 2, 5, and 10s, and if you wanted to position trade, you could hold out potentially 20 days. Now, basically what you're getting with these increased holding periods, you're getting a slightly better win rate, the greater number of days you're willing to hold, and a slightly higher average profit. There's no guarantees. You may get in here at 34.55 on a 20-day hold and take your profit the first or second day. You may close it out at the end of 20 days for a loss. But in general, the way this algorithm is built, the longer you're willing to hold it, you get a better win rate and a slightly higher average profit. Again, no guarantees. So those are published every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You can get them all at RBAMResearch.com. In addition to the crypto Bitcoins, we cover 190 stocks, long onlys, forex, the major pairs, and the most liquid futures contracts. The forex, crypto, and the futures contracts are all either buy or short, and the stocks are longs only or buys. Again, RBAMResearch.com, absolutely free, no credit card required. There's a link for that below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. And remember that everything you see on this website is for entertainment purposes only, including the entry prices. They're for reference only, and you have to back them up with your own research. And you definitely trade at your own risk. Please consult a financial advisor if you feel you need one.